This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Blessed Barwick. This charming ranch home, 3-bed, 2.5 bath nestled in a quiet neighborhood, has undergone a complete renovation, bringing it to a state of modern elegance. With all new appliances, it offers both comfort and functionality for a suburban lifestyle. Also has new roof, new siding, new blacktop driveway, new HVAC, and new privacy fence. Basement has potential to have a 4th bedroom with bath. For more information, review the details below or contact Blessed Barwick at 513-808-1736.